A very good morning, everyone, to all the delegates who are watching this video. Uh, Here we are presenting our research paper on automatic sensor trash bins using microcontrollers, and the paper ID is JICSE-J008. Me with my team of four researchers, as I'm an author one, MS Idiri, and then with Mohammad Irfan, Mohsin, and Devendra Rauti, we all together as a team executed this research paper, and we are going to explain you regarding what we did, what was our research work related to this particular topic. So, our basic motto related to this research work is to make an automatic trash bin or dustbin, because we all know waste management is an important issue which has to be dealt in present scenario, as all the diseases which are related to these, what can I say, wastes such as malaria, dengue, these are mosquito related, and many other diseases are directly related to the wastage which we will be dumping onto the road, or if even there are the bins, then still people are not throwing in the bins because it's not automated. And after, even if we are providing an automated dustbin, then there is an issue which is arising that if the bin is getting filled up, the authorities are not able to, what can I say, get a signal or get a message that the bin is been filled up, and they are not, what can I say, emptying it. With that, what's happening here is again it is becoming an issue which is affecting the health and leads to health hazards and many diseases. So to overcome these particular things, these particular issues, we are presenting this our research work. We have put on our time and executed this work such that these issues should be easily dealt with, and with the help of IoTs, with the help of many what can I say, advanced tools we have been used in this research paper to upgrade it. Okay, let's proceed. So, as an introduction, we have made a smart device, automated wireless dustbin to handle garbage smartly. We are using here servo motors. Actually, servo motor, the why we are using it is to open the lid directly. To open the lid of the dustbin, we are attaching it with a servo motor such that the flip gets open. Then we are connecting the heart of this particular research is our microcontroller. Here we are using Arduino board as a microcontroller. To that we are totally attaching servo motors. Not just servo motors, we are attaching ultrasonic sensor. And as I want to give a brief overview on ultrasonic sensor. If you want to understand ultrasonic sensor in a proper way, then simple thing is, just consider bat. They will be emitting ultrasonic waves, and if the wave is getting reflecting back, then they will calculate the time, and as per that time they will be moving away from that particular object which is about to collide with. So the same thing happens here in our ultrasonic sensor also, and it's very useful. Here in our project we are using two ultrasonic sensors, one attached at the outer side of the bin and one is placed inside the bin. The outer side of the outer side ultrasonic sensor which we are providing in our project is just to open the flip. If you are just going near to the, what can I say, bin, you will be getting an outer ultrasonic sensor which will send a signal to microcontroller gives output to the, what can I say, servo motor, and the servo motor will flip on the particular, what can I say, lid, and you can throw your garbage over there. First thing has been executed. The very next thing which comes into the scenario is the ultrasonic sensor which we are placing inside the bin is to check the level of the garbage. If it's getting filled more, then definitely the ultrasonic sensor, now in coordination with the GSM module, sends the message to the authority, to the municipal authority, that the garbage got filled. And it even the GSM module which we have used is GPS enabled. With that, even they will be getting the location of that particular garbage dustbin which is getting filled, and as per that location they will be sending the vehicles, and they will be taking out the garbage, and they'll submit it to the dump yard. So in this pattern we are using advanced devices like ultrasonic sensor. We are using ESP module. Here you can check out, we have programmed ESP module also, because we are We made it more as an IoT project, Internet of Things projects, by with the help of ESP01. Why? With this only we are connecting with the main server, and through main server we are sending, what can I say, the signals to the authority with the help of GSM modules. And for messaging we are using GSM module. For what can I say, the dustbin location, we are using GPS, global positioning systems. With this we are making it more feasible to work out. As you can see in the next block diagram I have been presented over here. In this block diagram you can see there is a dustbin, right? That dustbin is having two sensors. We are placing two sensors over here: ultrasonic sensor and gas sensor. Ultrasonic sensor, as I told you, if the dustbin is getting filled up, it sends the signal, ultrasonic signal. If it's, it will calculate the time. If the time taken for returning of the wave, then definitely it will trigger the signal, and that signal will be going from your microcontroller to your, what can I say, ESP Wi-Fi module, to your Wi-Fi modem. Through that it's connected to internet and cloud, and municipal authorities will get, what can I say, what can I say, via onto the smartphone they'll be getting message, and they'll just empty that particular bin. Next thing, why we are using gas sensor? Next big problem is that the garbage what is being thrown in that bin, if that garbage is very, what can I say, it smells bad, literally bad. It's not getting filled, but yet the smell is very bad and it's very dangerous for the human, those who are traveling near to it. Then again it sends a signal. That's why we have kept a gas sensor. Whatever the gas which is getting evaporating from that particular bin is been again sensed by gas sensor. Gas sensor sends a signal to ESP module. From ESP module to Wi-Fi modem, your local, what can I say, ISP, internet service provider. From that it's go to the cloud, and alternately you will be getting the messaging signal which will be given to the authority, municipal authority. And even you will be having here a GPS sensor and load sensor which gives you the location and the emptying of the bin. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Here in this I just want to give this slide I have made such that you should at least get a slight overview of how we have, what can I say, given the wiring for this project, what kind of circuitry we have given. It's a simple thing I'm explaining over here. I'm not explaining the remaining things such as what we have used GSM module wiring. Then next, I'm not assigning here the digital pins what I have used for this particular project. Like you can't see here, what can I say, our ESP01, ESP8266, so what can I say, module wiring. You can't see here GSM module wiring. It's a simple circuitry such that you can easily understand actually how to wire a basic trash or smart dustbin. Here the very first thing you can check here, this one, as you can see a yellow mark over here, what I'm saying, it's just a particular charger module for your rechargeable battery, which is 3.7 volt. It's just charging this rechargeable battery. From here DC wire positive and DC wire negative is being given to the voltage booster circuit. Here why we are placing this voltage booster circuit, because the device what we are using, rechargeable battery, is 3.7 volt, but for the Arduino microcontroller to work, it requires 5 volt. And even the micro, what can I say, ultrasonic sensor what we are using here is a 5 volt. And the same, to give the power supply to them, we are using this voltage booster. It's boosting the voltage from 3.7 volt to 5 volt, sorry, 3.7 volts to 5 volts, and giving power supply to your microcontroller. And microcontroller is getting signal from the ultrasonic sensor, and from there it's sending the signal to your servo motor, and this servo motor is flipping on your dustbin when someone is coming near to it automatically. So the person who wants to dump the what are the wastage he is carrying, he will be dumping it in your dustbin automatically. He don't have to flip it manually. Automatically it will be executed by the microcontrollers and ultrasonic sensors, and at the end with the servo motors. That's how the circuitry is all about. Okay, microcontroller will be having both the analog pins and digital pins. Even it will be comprising of, what can I say, IOS. Even it will be comprising of, what can I say, VCC and ground, varied voltages, 5 volts and 3.5 volts altogether. Then methodology, I have maximum, I have explained all the things all together what I have said till now. That same thing is been sent. Ultrasonic sensor senses the level of garbage of distance, and it sends the alarm what I said in the just a few minutes back. And the gas sensor we are providing here, and it sends the message to the registered mobile via IoT or via the GSM module, with the help of your microcontroller, and to empty the bin by the authorities, municipal authorities. So here a basic simple, what can I say, explanation if you to get a clear scenario what actually happening. Here you can see ultrasonic sensor input given to Arduino. From Arduino, message is being given to the GSM module. That's how it gets processed. Not just from that for GSM module. If you want to, even the flipping, as I told you, we are using here two ultrasonic sensor. We are not depending on one ultrasonic sensor is for GSM messaging, other ultrasonic sensor is to flip on your dustbin. That's what it's been explained altogether here. Then sensor operations, just now I told you about sensor operations, how it operates with the help of, what can I say, even you are having gas sensor, your next thing you are having ultrasonic sensors. Understanding these sensors are very important to flip on, flip off, then to emptying when there is a filling of the gas altogether, right? Future plans, what else we can do? Here we are using a separate voltage booster module. Then again we have to continuously provide a DC power source for this particular project to run. So what we are thinking, if we are implementing solar panels over here, it will be very helpful to directly get access of renewable energy, which will be free of cost, and we don't require batteries and all to carry out this project feasibly. Then even this project is very important, not just for the particular dustbin, even for, what can I say, if at all consider there is a high-rise building and it's very tough for in any to provide, what can I say, centralized drainage system in any of the high-rise building. So if we are trying to put on this project to those waste management system, that will be very beneficial in filling out or refilling of the particular garbage or the soil waste through your tankers, and it will be feasible for us to easily locate the building location via GPS, sending messages. It will be very helpful in what can I say, execution of things in high-rise buildings also. At last I want to conclude that we did great effort. Me with my team have applied lots and lots of effort to bring up this particular concept altogether, and we will be working on this concept furthermore to what can I say, to think on what more possibilities are there which we can work on, and our work is on its way. Even at my I even have a school, I have executed this smart dustbin project at my school also. Kids love that project, and even parents were very much satisfied with the way we are teaching them. Okay, if I'll be adding that particular clip also in this particular video, so that you can even see the execution what we did practically. Okay, thanks everyone for providing me this platform and letting me showcase our work, my teamwork all together. And even I'm thankful to my team for coordinating with me and for being with me all together and giving a fruitful result at the end. Thanks everyone, and I'll sign out now. Thanks everyone, take care.
मेरा भी डाल दूं? Okay, open, shabash, close. Yes.